Hello, welcome to Emotional Badass, where Moxie meets mindful. I'm Nikki Eisenhower, life coach and psychotherapist, and on today's show, we are meditating. One of my goals within, the tiny, not overwhelming goal of kind of healing everyone on the planet, right? Go big or go home, is to help people interact with their bodies in a new and different way. Especially in America, I think we have this thing where weirdly, strangely, it's like we have our head and then we have our body. Like we're very cut off where we think in the head and then this body is this other thing. I think that's why our medication, our healthcare is so wonky, because we're just putting things into our body as a society, really disconnected from it. So in today's meditation, we're going to feel the body. So wherever you are, let's jump right in. If you're seated in a chair or seated on the floor, get your wiggles out and settle. Now take a few slow, deep breaths and just let your body know, hey, you're here. You made it. Allow that energy of moving and going and doing to center into stillness. Eyes closed, going inward. Reach the spine tall towards the sky. Reach up through the crown of the head. Allow the shoulders to roll back and down towards the hips, towards the ground. Lift the heart, the chest towards the sky, helping the shoulder blades come together on the back. Feel your toes in your shoes or in your socks. And allow your vision to go inward. Let's scan the body from the top of the head, moving slowly downward, just noticing any areas of stuckness, any areas of darkness, of tightness. Noticing as you scan downward through the neck, through the jaw, through the shoulders, through the arms, through the elbows, through the wrists, through the hands, through the heart space and the belly space, and the pelvis, through the hips. What's there? What's tight? What's stuck? What's dark? Through the knees, through the shins, through the calves, through the ankles, through the feet, through the toes. And take a big, deep, full breath into every cell of the body. Continue to breathe rhythmically and fully, but easily. And on your next inhalation, begin to see a little pulse of light. And allow that pulse of light to start wherever it starts. Maybe in your belly, maybe in your heart, maybe in the solar plexus. And just allow yourself to see and feel that pulse of light within your body. As you notice this light, it pulses bigger and brighter. The light is growing within you. And as it does, it begins to take up space and it overtakes the darkness, the tightness, the tension, the stuckness. Feel the light growing and pulsing within you. It's beginning to fill up every cell, every fiber of your being. It's filling up the central channel of the body. It's filling up the hips and the shoulders. And that light is pulsing and moving, expanding into each limb. Feel the brightness, the lightness, the weightlessness of the light. See the light shining, touching from the inside of your body, from your core to the very tips of each finger, down your legs to the very tips of each toe. Take another big, full, deep breath into the light that is full in your body, and smile. You are a vessel of the light. I am a vessel of the light. This light pulses and fills every crevice until there is no more darkness. There is no more stuckness. There is no more tightness. There is no more tension. There is only light. Breathe into the lightness of this light. Breathe into the belief that you have always been able to fill with this light. Just like in any dark room, all we need to do is turn on the light, feel, see, sense how you just turned on the light. And know with a deep knowing and a deep gratitude and wisdom that this light never leaves you. That sometimes when it's dark, the darkness can play a trick on us that we can't find the light. Know with a deep, full wisdom, you can always find the light. The light is always within you. The light is always within me. Take a big, full, deep breath into this knowing, into this light. And smile again. Smile for the light that you are brightening for your adult self. Smile in gratitude for the light you're turning on for your inner child. Smile for the light that you know how to turn on, how to beam for yourself and for others. And for all of your parts, your healthy parts, your wounded parts, your confused parts, your younger parts, your older parts. There is so much light. Take a mental snapshot of the brightness of your being as it is right now. If we could touch light, how would it feel? Would it feel like a marshmallow cloud? Would it feel like a warm rain? Allow yourself to take a snapshot of this feeling of the light. And know that you can come back to this feeling of the light, this full light, lit, turned on feeling within your body, within every cell, every fiber of your human being. That your spirit can light up for the human experience that your body is having. And you can come back to this feeling just as you may come back to a photo. And remember with delight, you are always connected to this source. It beats and it shines from within you. Take another deep, full breath into this knowing, into this being, into this feeling. And smile one more time for the soul care, the self-care, the love you have offered your human being today. Whenever you are ready, allow movement to come back into your body, maybe wiggling the toes, maybe wiggling the fingers, fluttering your eyes open gently as if to maintain this inward glance, this inward knowing, this inward wisdom of the light being that you are. As your eyes fully open into this human existence. I will go forth and be light and bright today. And I will know when I do this for myself that I am subconsciously giving permission for others to connect and shine their light. In this way, I am healing myself and I am healing my mini world and the bigger world. Today, I accept that I am powerful beyond measure. Thank you for meditating with me today. Thank you for shining your light. Thank you for helping me shine mine. May you remember that you are light as we end this year. Thank you so much. I want to thank those of you who have supported the show on patreon.com/emotionalbadass. We have content that we keep adding to every month that's exclusive. If you'd like to be a producer of the show and support us, buy us a cup of coffee, help support us with the equipment that we need to make the sound quality of the show what it is, come there, come check out what we're doing there. And I want to thank those of you who really help us on iTunes, really help us share the show by keeping our rating as high as it can be in iTunes. So thank you so much for these beautiful, heartfelt 5-star reviews. Tati 0927, I'm glad I'm hitting the nail on the head for you. I'm trying to keep it up. Thank you for your comment. Here Comes Chaos. Oh boy, what a name. You said you love bananas. Yes, I really, it's not for our egos to hear these beautiful reviews. So yes, you can just get on and write, I love bananas. If you need to make it easy. Thank you. Just to filter away. Yes. Keep those emotional vampires at bay. Thank you for the suggestion. Yes, I am taking it under consideration. Ryan Moss. Yay, no more suppressing your feelings. Thank you for your review. Dolly Neves. Yes, sweet woman, you are enough. I am enough. We're all enough. I'm so glad the show has helped you feel that and believe that and know that as heart knowledge. Thank y'all so much for supporting the show, for listening and sharing it. It's everything in podcasting, and it keeps us fueled and energized to keep going. Light and love. Till next time. Take care of yourselves. I'm Emotional Badass. You're Emotional Badass. Together, we are Emotional Badass, where Moxie meets Mindful.